Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'll be showing you how I make my cassava pone. This is a dense pudding with crisp edges, made with cassava and coconut milk, packed with great flavors. Then you bake it until it is golden brown. So here I have some cassava. I also have some coconut, some butter that I did melt. You don't need to melt your butter if you don't want to. I did. Some essence, sugar, salt, black pepper, which is a key ingredient to making cassava pone, some grated nutmeg, and some cinnamon powder. That's all that we need. So as I work along, I'm going to show you. I did cut up my cassava and then I'm going to pop it right into my food processor. Then I'm going to use the pulse method and just pulse it until it is finely chopped. So pulse it up. We don't want chunks into here, alright? And cassava pone is basically, a kind of yummy treat, but it all depends on how you want to make it. So I'm making this for someone that don't want it too yummy, so in that way I'm not going to put too much of milk into it. So into the same container I'm going to blend my coconut. You want this to be nicely done also. Pour it into my bowl. Now I'm going to measure my coconut and cassava. Don't you forget to check the description box below. Now I'm going to add my coconut. And I'm not going to be using all the coconut because I'm going to use the rest of the coconut to squeeze so that I can get the coconut milk. Add the sugar and the rest of ingredients. And you can also use evaporated milk or cow milk into this recipe. Mix it well. At this time I have my oven set. And as you can see, I'm going to squeeze it. I didn't add any milk as yet. And you want to put some black pepper to taste, guys. The real old-fashioned cassava pone has real black pepper into it. So I'm adding the squeezed coconut milk. Now, like I said earlier, if you want to have this kind of gummy cassava pone, you can add more milk. I didn't add much into this one because this was a request, all right? So at this time I'm going to grease my pan. And then I'm going to pour the mixture right into the pan. Pop it into the oven and let it bake until it's golden brown. It's this simple. It makes a beautiful dessert, a nice sweet treat, guys. So I asked to cut it just to show you what it looks like inside. And here you have it. And you want to cut this when it's cold, all right? So go right ahead, give it a try. You can add more liquid into yours. But I'm going to make another one and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So enjoy, guys. Give it a try and leave me a comment. Bye.